What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and today I just want to real quick give y'all an update because y'all know we have the new Clean Biz Network platform that is also not just a coaching program, not just bidding calculators and proposal generators, but also a CRM now. So it's everything it always been and more, full-fledged CRM. But before we go to over the CRM, I have some explaining to do. Okay, so about 2 weeks ago, I told y'all that we were going to switch over to the new platform and we were getting rid of the monthly payments of $99 a month, and then we had the one-time payment for $1997, and I got rid of that on that date. But what happened was the rollout for the new CRM got pushed back. So here we go. I just want to give y'all a quick update to let you know. All right, so the first thing is this: the rollout of the new CRM now has a new release date. It's going to be June 22nd. Some Clean Biz Network members already have access, some don't. We're slowly but surely still migrating everybody over. It's taking longer than I expected it to. Also, a lot of the features that we have to customize in the CRM are still being added, so you'll see those. So if you are already in Clean Biz Network and you have access, be patient. I'm importing things into your account as like literally daily, okay? And then those who don't have access yet, be patient. Keep an eye out on that email because you'll get your login details shortly. All right. Also, make sure you filled out the form that we requested you to fill out. If you didn't fill out a form, go log into the Clean Biz Network Facebook group and look for my post on that to see what form you need to fill out. All right. So, for those who haven't gotten into Clean Biz Network yet, you still got a chance to catch a great deal. All right, because the last time I did this, when I thought that we would have had this ready by, I think it was June 1st when I launched it or something. So I didn't meet that deadline. So it's good news for y'all. All right, because now. All right, so we did still get rid of the $99 a month, but before we go to $9.97 a year, because that's what the new price is going to be with the new CRM, we're going to do $4.97 for a limited time. This ends as soon as the CRM drops. Okay, so you can still get in for $4.97 a year, and you'll be grandfathered into the new CRM program and all of that. So the new CBN platform, you'll have every single thing that the new people will get with the $9.97 a year, but you're just gonna get it for $4.97. Now, if you cancel, then ain't no coming back at the $9.97. I mean at the $4.97. You just gotta pay the new price. All right. For the one-time payment of $19.97, and you get an automation course included with this, so you get lifetime membership, and you also get the automation program, which gives you many more features, and also you get full access to the CRM. So you'll get access to the CRM as well on this plan, but it's gonna be certain features that you won't be able to do, such as offer memberships, such as actually create funnels and not just websites, and other different things. Run your Facebook ads and all of that through there. All right, and then you also won't be able to run your social media through the CRM, but you'll still be able to do basic CRM things. All right, but on this plan you get lifetime access and you get all of the full access to the CRM, and you also get a Clean Biz automation course. All right, it's a very advanced course for people who really trying to scale. All right, so just want to get up here and let y'all know that there's still a chance, because y'all might know, like, dang, what happened to the, I mean, it ain't changed like this, because this right here is going to be an annual price once we make the change. This right here is already an annual price, but it's going to go up to $9.97. Okay, this price will be $19.97 still, but you're going to have to pay it every year. So here's the deal: get these before the 22nd, and then you're good. All right. Now, just a quick preview. I won't be long at all, but just a quick preview of the CRM. So I've been over this before. Watch some of my recent videos. But when you first log in, you have a dashboard. All right, and it'll just show you your pipeline. So what leads you got open, what leads you got closed already. The conversations tab will show you like everywhere, like all of the conversations you're having, whether they're through your Facebook Messenger, Instagram Messenger, your emails, your Google My Business, wherever you're having different conversations, you'll be able to link those in here. They even got TikTok as well. And you can have track those conversations here. Your calendar, all right, whether you got buildings to clean, walkthrough scheduled, all that type of stuff will be here in your calendar. Your contacts, that'll be every single contact that you have, all right, from your customers, any account you close, as well as prospects. All right, opportunities, that's where you're going to put, that's where everything that you saw on that dashboard, this is where you enter it at. All right, your payments, you can literally send out invoices on the spot, get paid electronically, or they can still mail you the check, however you want to do it. You can set up subscription payments as well, all type of things, create new products, you name it, it's going to be up here. All right. Marketing, this tab won't be available to those unless you have the automation program. All right, because this is where you're gonna manage your social media. All right, automation. This is also only for Clean Biz Network. Clean and Biz automation people. All right, you're going to be able to set up workflows to help you automate your business. So if somebody submits a form on your website, it'll automatically add them to another part of your funnel. You know what I mean? So I won't go over that right now. All right, then you got websites. So like I said, you can create websites, you can create funnels. For those who are in automation course, you'll be able to create funnels. If you're not in automation, you'll still be able to create your websites right in here. Okay, so you don't have to pay nobody else no monthly fees no more. It's gonna be all in Clean Business Network. All right. I'm gonna keep on going. I won't keep it. Also, what's important too is that chat widget. So even if you don't need to create a brand new website through us, you still can take our chat widget, and what that do as well. Remember I told y'all we got a conversations tab where you can communicate with your people on all different platforms as well. So when you go to your website, if you put this chat widget on your website, whether you're hosting on Wix or I don't know where, WordPress, take this chat widget. You can install it to your website, and then if they message you, you won't be able to miss another customer again because it's gonna come straight to your CRM platform, and we'll have an app as well, so it comes ping straight to your phone. You got a message on your website, somebody want to do a walkthrough with you or something, and you can reply to them instantly. Your reputation, that's where you can see your Google My Business and all of that stuff here. See if anybody left you any comments, left you any ratings, all of that. And then we're going to come down to here. You got your bidding calculators as well from Clean Business Network. So you still got all the same features that we bought from the original platform. Bidding calculators, proposal generators, buy your leads, contact Clean Business Network support, of course. And then we also got this gadget here where you can reach out to our technical support as well. So we got support here so you can chat with us live. So you can literally click that button and chat live with our people 24/7. All right, that's something brand new that we just added. All right, also, like I said, you can buy bid appointments. So everything is all in this one platform. All right, Clean Business Network University. So this is going to be brand new. Clean Business Network U is something that I'm working on. We're going to have all our courses all in here in one place. Get Paid to Be You is on its way back. And then also all of my affiliates and allies, Miss Johnson over at Tenacity Academy, Mila, the host keeper, Carolyn, everybody, Brandon Orr, all my people that got courses. My goal is to get them a partnership, to get them inside here as well, inside of Clean Biz U. But we'll get on that later. And then as well, we got a resources tab. Under this resources tab, you'll be able to go everything. You get to the Facebook group that we have. Schedule a one-on-one coaching call with any of our CBN experts. Get business insurance. Get business credit card. Get a business credit card with Amex. Get business funding. So we actually offer funding through Clean Business Network. We'll partner with Fundwise, so you can get apply for funding, whether it's through business credit cards or through business loans. Hire your bookkeeper. It's the same bookkeeping company I use. I refer you to them. Order yourself cleaning supplies if you need more cleaning supplies. Just listen to the podcast, watch my YouTube channel. All of that is here. It's so much going to be on this platform, but I just want to give y'all an update because I know I kind of left y'all hanging since the last update. So be clear, the platform is still being built fully, but we're almost there. So on the 22nd is going to be the official launch. So make sure you join Clean Biz Network at cleanbiznetwork.com, and you'll be able to take advantage of all of this, okay? And there won't be no more monthly payments. It's still annual payments, all right? But you just got a discount. So this is going to go up to $9.97 by the 22nd. This will be a price annually. Right now, it's just one time. So if you want lifetime access to Clean Business Network, this will be the one to get. If you just want to get in on a very good deal, get this one. And then for those who are on the $99 a month plan right now, and you like, actually, I'd rather switch to this plan, just come over here, buy that plan, and then cancel your your $99 a month plan. All right. If you have any trouble with that, when you try to do that, for those who want to switch their plan from $99 to $497, make sure you reach out to support@cleanbiznetwork.com. Email us there, and then Anna will be able to help you with that. But that's what I got for y'all today. I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network, and I'm out of here. Best wishes to y'all.